The 1971 Chevrolet Vega marked Chevrolet's bold entry into the compact car segment, aiming to compete with popular imports such as the Volkswagen Beetle and Toyota Corolla. Designed as a sleek and affordable vehicle, the Vega featured a clean, minimalist look that resonated with the times. The long hood and short deck proportions gave it a sporty appearance, while its lightweight construction emphasized fuel efficiency and economy. Available in various body styles, including coupe, hatchback, and wagon, the Vega provided versatility for a wide range of buyers. Under the hood, the Vega debuted with an innovative all-aluminum 2.3-liter inline-4 engine. This engine was designed to be lightweight and efficient, producing 90 horsepower in base form and up to 110 horsepower in the optional higher compression version. Paired with either a 3-speed manual or 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission, the Vega promised economical performance suitable for urban and suburban driving. However, the engine faced durability challenges, particularly with overheating and oil consumption issues, which would later impact its reputation. Inside, the 1971 Vega featured a simple but functional interior. It offered seating for 4, with supportive bucket seats in the front and a bench seat in the rear. The dashboard layout was straightforward, with easy-to-read gauges and minimalistic controls. Buyers could opt for additional features like an AM/FM radio, air conditioning, and upgraded trim packages. The cargo space in the hatchback and wagon models added a level of practicality that appealed to small families and young drivers alike. The Vega excelled in ride and handling for a compact car of its era. Its front-engine rear-wheel drive layout and independent front suspension provided a balanced and predictable driving experience. The lightweight construction made the car nimble, and it performed well on smooth roads. However, its handling prowess was offset by durability issues, particularly with the suspension components and the engine block, which were prone to premature wear. Safety was a priority for Chevrolet, and the Vega featured front disc brakes and an energy-absorbing steering column as standard equipment. However, the car's rust-prone body structure became a major concern, particularly in regions with harsh winters or high humidity. These corrosion issues, combined with the engine's reliability challenges, would later tarnish the Vega's legacy and limit its long-term success. Despite its flaws, the 1971 Chevrolet Vega remains a significant vehicle in Chevrolet's history, as its first serious attempt to produce a small, fuel-efficient car for the U.S. market. While its innovative engineering and attractive design were noteworthy, the Vega's struggles with quality control and reliability ultimately hindered its potential. Today, it is remembered as a classic example of American automakers grappling with the rising popularity